In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error code in Windows 11, so this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead to your settings, and after settings open up for you, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead, check your Windows updates. If it's up to date and it's installed, as you can see right now, it's installed for me. After that, just go ahead, retype the key of your Windows. So go ahead, check the key, then go ahead to activation settings, then change the product key, click on change, and then type your product key that you have for your Windows. So after you do that, if you have any problems, you can contact the Windows support that's available in your country. And in order to do that, the next step, I will show you how to do it. So just follow up with me. And just go ahead, click out of this, and then just go to the Start menu, right-click on it, click on Run, then type this SLUI4, then click on OK. After that, just choose your country or region, so just make sure your country is the correct one. So in my case, I am going to choose a random country, as you can see, then click on Next, and here you can see the toll-free that you can call, or the child number and the installation ideas. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.